So I recently shared up this strategy with other members of the Trading with Tan Forex Mastering Bootcamp. So this strategy here, we managed to place this trade and managed to make $21 from a $7 account. So we managed to get a profit of $21 with this one trade. The reason why I was comfortable to let this trade run for a long period of time is because I know that this strategy that I was using is a trend reversal strategy. So when you get into a winning trade, there's more chances of us getting into getting maximum value of that trade. So now let me show you the strategy that I was using, which is the strategy that I shared before, but most people are still struggling on how to place the indicator. So let me show you the strategy step by step. So for this strategy, the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on indicators and you want to add the RSI. So the RSI is gonna give us the overbought and the oversold of the market, and we want to put this tile to white. Make sure this tile is the same color as the background. Then you are going to click OK. The period is 14, and you're going to see these two lines right here, the RSI lines. We have the 70 and the 30, and then you are going to go again on the indicator window. We add up the MACD. The default, the settings are on default. You can put this on weighted close or on close, and then you're going to put the colors that you want, and then you click done. Once you do this, you're going to see that the MACD is gonna sit on top of the RSI, right? And then you're going to click F again. You go to indicator window. Now you're going to add the moving average. Once you add the moving average, make sure it's period 2, method exponential, and then apply to previous indicators data. This is the most important part. Apply to previous indicators data. You click done. Once you do this, the moving average, which is another red line here, is gonna be added on top of the MACD. So it's gonna follow up the MACD. Now we know that the MACD is an indicator which shows us change in momentum in the market, right? And we are expecting that if prices change momentum while it's outside the RSI zone, which is above 70 or below 30, we are going to place a reversal trade, which is, for example, at this point right here. If you can see at this point right here, you can see that the RSI and the moving average was crossing. So if I zoom this in, you're going to see at this point right here, the RSI, the MACD and the moving average was crossing, and then you can see from there the market moved all the way up. And then if you can see here again, we have a cross down of the MACD because it's above 70, and then we have a drop after that. Here we have the same thing right here. So I'm not saying this strategy is gonna win you 100% of the time, but at least if you get in with this strategy, if you get 2 or 3 winning trades, you can jumpstart your account from any amount less than $10 to more than $30. You can do that in one trade, because once you get into the market with this strategy, if you get a winning trade, you're going to be able to maximize your chances with that. So if you want to learn the full strategy, the whole strategy, this strategy explained in depth step by step, make sure you click the link in the description below, because I have another video which I showed this strategy step by step. So if you click that link, you can go and watch that video. So before you go, I want to invite you to watch my free Forex Masterclass. I'll put the link in the description. This course is going to help you become profitable in the market. So go ahead, set these indicators, go and test this strategy. Maybe you can test it on a demo, test it on your live account, and then be able to place your trades in the market. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.